And yes, that is a hummingbird behind me sitting on a nest right there. She's got 2 babies. Take your hummingbird feeder and turn it from this to this in seconds. Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California. Today I wanted to touch on those dollar hummingbird feeders that you can get. $1. They're really great feeders. I've got some that are 2 years old in the garden. They work great. But the only problem is the hummingbirds can't sit. Oh, sit? Did you hear me say sit? What is that behind my shoulder? Look where my finger is. That's a hummingbird sitting on a nest with 2 babies. She's right here out my door. My computer is like 6 feet from here. But I wanted to show you today how you can take this feeder and turn it into a $1 million feeder. All right, maybe not a $1 million feeder, but change it where your hummingbirds will love you for it because they'll be able to sit. And I know a lot of you aren't going out these days. I haven't gone out twice to my parents' house, and you can use a lot of different wire for that. You could use a thin craft wire, you could use bread ties, you can use a pipe cleaner. So here I'll show you how easy it is in seconds or minutes that you can change this $1 feeder into a great feeder. So watch, and I'll show you how exactly you can do it so quickly. She left. She's busy feeding her baby. She's been going and coming all day, and I've got a compost bucket over there. She's over there looking around because there's fruit flies in there, and that's what she's looking for, fruit flies. And plus she's got all the feeders around. And of course she's got these that now have a seat on it. So here's the base. It has no stand for the hummingbird. And what you're going to do is you're going to measure a piece of wire, any wire you've got that's kind of on the thin side that you can work with, about 8 inches. That's all you need is 8 inches. Give or take a little, doesn't matter. Just cut it with the scissors. Remember, they can sit on a leaf. Now all you're going to do is just twist the wire together. Whatever way works for you, just twist the wire. It's really a simple, fast thing you can do. So there you've got the wire now all twisted together. You can use pliers if you've got pliers. This is how easy it looks. You're just twisting and making a little circle with a piece of 8-inch wire. That's all you need. Now you take the part that's sharp, the twisted end pieces behind the flower. This is where the hummingbirds do not go. Hold on to the flower in case it snaps off. It shouldn't. And then you just twist it. Just a little twist. No big deal. You can do it a couple times. And look at that. Now you've got it twisted. And now you're just going to reshape it into a little place where the hummingbird can sit. It's that easy. Look at this. Literally done in seconds. And now you've got a little place for the hummingbird to sit. You can shape it whatever way you want. You can bring it up, you can bring it down a little bit, you can see how they use it. But that's it. You have now taken a $1 hummingbird feeder and turned it into a small fortune hummingbird feeder. Perfect. 8-inch wire. You could use pipe cleaner if you've got pipe cleaner. It would be the same thing. It's a little fuzzy, but they'll use it if you don't have anything else. And you would do exactly the same thing. You would twist it back on itself so it doesn't come loose. So you're just going to twist it back this way. Take the other end, twist it back. Like I said, it's a little fuzzy, not my choice, but if that's all you had, you would then just put the wire around the flower, and then it's probably easier to even see with the pipe cleaner. But that's all you have to do. And if you had to, you could use bread ties. You would put the bread ties together and do the same thing with bread ties that you did with the wire. So that's all there is to it. And in literally minutes, you can change that feeder into a wonderful feeder that has seats for these birds to sit on. With that, have a great day. And don't forget, to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody. You want to say goodbye? No. She says no. So now let's hang it out and see what they think of pipe cleaner. We know they like wire. We know they don't mind red ties. Let's hang it up here and see what they think.